In the past, when you saw a commercial advertising a car, it was likely that the featured vehicle was the actual model that you could purchase at your local dealership. But shooting car footage for a commercial is a complex process. You have to get all the gear to the location to record the scene, including the vehicle, plus maintain security as not to reveal any industry secrets on your car design. Nowadays, however, due to advancements in engineering and computer modelling, rigs are used to simulate vehicles. One such rig is the Mill Blackbird, a fully adjustable car rig that creates photorealistic CG cars for automotive advertising.
Introducing the Blackbird, a revolution in car advertising. The biggest challenges facing automotive advertising are car availability and subsequent model revisions. Until now, you've needed the car to make the ad, and model revisions become costly and complex. The Blackbird solves these issues. For the first time ever, you can shoot and repurpose a car ad without needing the actual car. Having mastered photoreal CGI vehicles, we pioneered the technique of reskinning using stand-in cars. Realizing that the most important aspects of the stand-in car are its physical driving performance and its wheels, we designed and built the world's first fully adjustable car rig. At the push of a button, the Blackbird can adjust its length by 4 feet and width by 10 inches. It can change wheels and alter suspension to mimic virtually any chassis design. Its electric motor is programmable to emulate the driving characteristics of almost any vehicle, past, present, or future.
The hardest thing for CGI artists to recreate is wheel movement and driving characteristics, such as how a car's weight shifts around turns. That's why the Blackbird is built with an adjustable chassis to match almost any wheelbase and width of the vehicle being imitated. The Blackbird has the ability to match the chassis specifications of nearly any car. Once the Blackbird is all set up with its parameters, it can complete a course with its electric motors programmed to mimic the actions of a traditional engine with shifting gears. Because the physical vehicle is being captured during production, realistic ground contact, physics of motion, and shadows are also being captured. After the footage is shot, CGI artists can go in and overlay the body of the intended vehicle over the Blackbird that is supposed to be driving down the road. There are also cameras on top of the Blackbird that capture the environment around it, to make sure that when the car body is added, the metal surfaces are showing the right reflections of the world around it. Now, it's one thing to be able to add a CGI car into an environment in post-production, but the Mill has taken this a step further, developing a custom augmented reality application that allows the director to see the intended vehicle in photorealistic graphics tracked live over the rig on location. This allows directors to make changes on location based on the final version of what it will look like in real time. Now, there were two main reasons for using the Blackbird in commercials over an actual car from the automaker. One, this allows them to film in any location at any time when they want to, without needing the actual car, and all they have to do afterwards is add the CGI body. And two, it helps the car companies keep new generation car designs or redesigns under wraps for as long as possible, by not taking them out on the road to film commercials. So just remember, the next car commercial you see might not be a real car at all, but the Blackbird with the CGI skin over it. See if you can tell the difference. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.